You want to change the ear pads on your Corsair Virtuoso Pro headset. My name is Orphan Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's start the video. Okay, so this is going to be very straightforward. If you had Corsair Virtuoso in the past, they didn't change the method of the ear pad, they just changed the bracket. So to remove the ear pad, it's going to be a twist off just like the old ones. You are going to hold it and twist it clockwise, all right? Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be using our Wicked Cushions Cooling Gel Earpads. I'm going to be using our Geo Gray design. If you want to hear more about them, stay to the end of this video and I'll show you some of the differences. And okay, so the difference between the older ones and the newer ones is that the old Corsair Virtuoso had a unique cushion to the left and a unique cushion to the right. So these are interchangeable. It was also different to the top than it was different to the bottom. Here, you only need to align those hooks and the twist off method. And just for alignment's sake, doesn't really matter. You can just make sure that the seam of the ear pad is going to be pointing at the bottom once you finish the twist off. So I would basically, if that's the bottom, the seam, I'm just going to find these hooks right here, put it on. And then if it was clockwise to remove, simply going to twist it counterclockwise to install. All right, do the same thing. And that is it. So let me just remove the pad and I'll show you some of the differences between the cooling gel pad and the original pad. So first of all, the first thing you'll notice is that the cooling gel pad is slightly thicker, not much thicker compared to the originals, because it will preserve the sound a little bit better by being almost as thick. But the difference is when you look at the inside, the shape of it is what makes it basically feel thinner. So on the outside, it's thick. But on the inside, the shape makes your ear touch the inside much easier. But when you look at the shape of the freeze, the inner wall is straight, which basically makes the outside thickness be the same as the inside thickness. So what you see is what you get, and you basically have more room for your ears thickness-wise on the inside. And of course, the WC freeze pad, if you know it from before, cooling gel at the top layer, cooling gel on the inside. The top is made with air weave fabric and the outside and inside layers are made with PU leather. If you want to try them out, simply click at the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below and let me know what you think. That is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you in the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.